Problem number 9 from our Chapter 3 quiz review. This is actually my favorite kinds of problems here, so I'm a little excited. Hopefully you are too. Solve for x by first writing each side with the same base. So if you can deal with your exponent rules here, this should make this one pretty easy for you. If not, please make sure you're following along. Here we go. First part here, we have 3 times 9 to the power of x equals 27 raised to the power of 2 minus x. Well, you know, when you think about 3, when you think about 9 and 27, they can all be written as 3 to some power, right? 3 is like 3 to the first, 9 is like 3 squared, and 27 is 3 to the third. So let's take this and rewrite these. We've got 3 times, instead of 9, we're going to put 3 squared raised to the power of x. And that should equal our 27, which we just said was 3 to the third power, raised to the power of 2 minus x. So let's simplify each side of our equation here. Starting here, right now we've got 3 to the first times, and when we take a power and raise it to a power, remember we have to multiply. So we have 3 to the first times 3 to the power of 2x. Okay, and then when we multiply two numbers that have the same base, we add the exponents. So this one can simplify all the way to 3 to the power of 2x plus 1. On this side here, we're going to take 3 to the third, and we're raising it to the power of 2 minus x, so that would be like saying 3 to the power of 3 times 2 minus x, in which case you can distribute that 3 through and have 3 to the power of 6 minus 3x. And now that we've rewritten each of these with the same base, in order for them to be equal, like they would have to have the same value for their exponents. This one and this one would have to equal each other. So let's just pull that exponent out, 2x plus 1. Pull out the 6 minus 3x, and let's figure out what value of x would make those the same. So it looks like we just add 3x to each side. So we'd have 5x plus 1 equals 6. So 5x would equal 5, and x would have to equal 1. And that would probably be our answer to our equation. Let's check it real quick and see. 3 times 9 to the first power should equal 27 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Well, 3 times 9 is 27, and 27 to the 2 minus first power would be 27. We know we're correct. Awesome. All right. I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me. If you have questions, please mark them down and bring them to class.